Hello, hello, Stephanie Zima here, My Way of Life Coaching. And today we are going to talk about some of the myths that are surrounding network marketing, especially. If you're new to me, I am Stephanie Zima with My Way of Life Coaching, and I help entrepreneurs, online entrepreneurs that is, to get off the emotional roller coaster of self-doubt and fears and just hesitation onto a solid foundation of confidence, resilience, persistence, and all the good things that you need to be able to build a thriving business, right? That's basically what it is. So there are a few objections that we hear all the time and that are basically keeping us stuck. So today we want to get unstuck by shifting our mindset just a little bit and deal with those myths, right, that we have. So the first one we're going to talk about today is network marketing is a pyramid scheme. How many of you have actually heard that before, that it's a pyramid scheme? And how many of you have actually probably Googled it and said, I'm not sure. Maybe I am in a pyramid scheme. Am I in a pyramid scheme? Is it really a pyramid scheme? What is it, right? So first of all, I want to tell you the pyramid schemes are in fact illegal. And what it is they are relying solely on recruiting without any real product or service. So that's why most of you network marketers are not in a pyramid scheme, because you are actually selling a product or a service. And the pyramid schemes that are illegal are only recruiting, and they don't have a product or service. So if anybody else tells you this, they're probably wrong, okay? So legitimate network marketing companies, they offer a valued product, a service, and they also pay commissions on actual sales. So not just recruitment, okay? So that means, yes, you are going to recruit as part of your job in a network marketing company because you want to build leverage, you want to build like more people working with you, and it's more fun to have some people working with you. But you also are having something to sell that you can make commissions on just selling the product. So that's basically why you're definitely not in a pyramid scheme. Some of the companies, like when you look at the compensation plan, it will also show you that you can actually out recruit and outperform your upline. And if you can see that on the compensation plan, then most definitely that is not a pyramid scheme, because a pyramid scheme would assume that you are pushing your upline and everyone else up, and that there's only a small little person on the top. But if you can outjump your upline, it's definitely not a pyramid scheme. You've got nothing to worry about. Okay, so myth number 2 is you have to be a natural salesperson to succeed. No, you do not have to be a natural salesperson. You do, however, have to have some skills that you have to learn, okay? That means you have to have some conversation skills. You have to maybe like people, right? If you absolutely dislike people and you have no empathy and you are like, just, you're not a people person at all, it may not be the profession that you should get into. But if you generally like people, and you can talk, right? And you don't even have to be a skill talker. I mean, take me, for example. I'm from a different country. English is my second language. I still make it too, right? I can still have a conversation. So, I don't have to have all the smart words. You just have to be able to talk and be somewhat personable. But most of the skills to connect and what to say, what scripts to use, how to transfer, how to switch something, all these are skills that are being learned over time. And network marketing is one of the really good things where you can actually learn as you earn, okay? Normal jobs, you have to somewhat train before you get paid. Network marketing, you can actually learn as you earn, which is really, really exciting. So no, you do not have to be a natural salesperson. Yes, you will have to have some sales skills that you're going to be able to utilize them. Myth number 3 would be only people at the top make money. Now, People at the top make more money. That is true. They make more money, and they make more money because they have already built leverage in their business. They already have multiple other people also working for them and with them and besides them and underneath them and above them and all the things, right? So they make more money because there's more people working. Yes. But most companies allow you to make $500, $1,000. So, it's not like only when you get to the top you're going to get paid. You're going to get paid along the way. Okay. So that's basically what it is. Now, for $500 is a big deal to somebody who's not used to making any money, right? Think about it. If you have $500 as a job somewhere, you are going to, if you have $500 you're working at a gas station, you're going to have to work long hours over at that gas station. Okay. If you are working night shifts or being a babysitter, it's really hard to do that versus you sitting on your phone and talking to a few people to see if they're open to taking a look at what you've got to sell. Well, I'd rather sit on the couch, to be honest with you, and do that kind of stuff than doing something else. So that's what I say about that. Now, myth number 5 is all about recruiting. While building a team is part of the model, network marketing also rewards when you just make sales, right? Product sales. Many people achieve success by focusing primarily on retail. They don't even recruit. People, especially the people who want to do $500 to $1,000 sales, they are not recruiting necessarily and building a team and going through leadership training and duplication and any of that kind of stuff. They don't do any of that. They are just literally selling products and they are making good money. So that myth is definitely debunked. Myth number 6 is the market is oversaturated. My word. Have you seen these Facebook groups? Have you seen just how many people are online? Like, if you have not, I dare you. If you have a pet, please go and find a pet group of some sort. If you have a hobby, go find anything that is relating to the hobby and take a look as to just how many people are in one of those Facebook groups, right? Now, think about how long will it take you to talk to every single one of those people. It's an insane amount of time. There will be no way on earth that you can be talking to all these people. So all these people are available to possibly purchase your stuff, okay? So the market can never be oversaturated. If it feels like it's oversaturated, it's because you are dealing with your warm market, meaning your friends and family. And that means you need to get out and you need to learn some skills so you can actually work in the cold market, because it'll never be oversaturated. There will always be more than enough people to talk to. Myth number 7, it's not a real job. It is a real job, right? Anything that pays you money is a real job. And it is also a business model that is recognized globally. Okay, you have to think about it. It's globally. See, I'm an international person, right? So I'm originally from Germany. There's network marketing in Germany. There's network marketing in Switzerland. There's network marketing in Asia. I mean, it's everywhere, you guys. It's everywhere. Every country has network marketing. So it is an industry that is actually recognized globally. And there is not just 2 or 3 people in the United States that are making some money. No, they are globally industry leaders that are making and earning tons and tons and tons of money. So it is a real job if you treat it like one. The problem here is that many are being told that, oh, it's very easy. You just purchase this welcome pack and then, you share with a friend or two, and then you're going to be a business owner. That is not how you're going to be a business owner. Those people that are on the top and that are making serious money are treating this profession as a job, and they are selling and they are recruiting and they are training and they are leading just like anyone who is having any other kind of business are doing. They are treating it the same way. The difference here is with a network marketing company, you do not have to worry about manufacturing your products. You do not have to worry about where it's coming from. Most of the time, that corporate office will ship it to your customers. You don't have to deal with any of that if you're in network marketing, but it is clearly a real business. So if you treat it like one, it's going to pay you like one. Okay. All right. So myth number 8, it takes too much time. Well, it's kind of funny to me. Every single time when I think about it, we are expecting to work an hour a day, but being paid in the salary of a doctor. Well, when you look at how long doctors are actually having to go to school and how many hours they're having to work, what shifts they are working, and that they're on call all the time and stuff, that's somewhat in our mindset, that is acceptable, right? To be paid that money. That is what we have in our paradigm. The doctor makes a lot of money, we know that, but they're also having to work a lot, and that's okay. But then when you have this job, you somehow think an hour a day is too much time. That's really kind of crazy when you think about it. When you really let that sink in, it's kind of crazy. So the benefits of network marketing is that it's flexible in the time. You can decide, do I do a half an hour in the morning? Do I do a half an hour at lunchtime? Do I do a half an hour in the evening? Do I do 2 hours? Do I do 10 minutes? What can I do? But you need to know that however many times or how much time you're putting in, you are also going to get paid based on that time. Now, not if you just sit and scroll and not do the income producing activities. You have to have the right activities at the right time to actually be able to make that kind of money. Okay. So it will take some skill. It will take a lot of focus. And then you just have the benefit of being flexible. So that was myth number 8. Myth number 9 is it's just a get rich quick scheme. I love this one. It's a get rich quick scheme. Well, I'll tell you one thing. There's nothing quick about network marketing, right? It actually takes a lot of patience, especially when you are in the cold market, because people don't know you. You need to have some time and a lot of organization and a lot more focus to warm up the prospects and to actually have them get to know you, like you, and trust you. So it takes a lot of patience to see results. It's not just overnight. I mean, yes, can you get lucky in your warm market and you're going to rank up super quickly and you're going to be boom, 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 boom. And next thing you know, you're top on the company because you happen to recruit your entire cheer team. Those are the unicorns. Those are the people that you think everything is based on. That is not the majority. The majority of people that are working this are taking their time and putting their time in, and then they are going to see the results after compounded, consistent action. Myth number 10, it ruins friends and family relationships. While that can be the case, okay, it can be the case that some people get super upset about you actually doing something that they maybe would like secretly to do themselves but can't. Most of the time, I would say that if you honor people's wishes, period, regardless if they are warm market or if they are cold market, you will not ruin any relationship. Because I'm always talking about the pineapple example, okay? There's some people that love pineapple on their pizza, and there's some people that hate pineapple on their pizza. Now, if your family is somebody that loves pineapple on their pizza, you happen to be not liking pineapple on the pizza. Well, actually, let's flip that. They don't like pineapple on the pizza, but you like pineapple on the pizza. And you are now, your product that you're selling is the pineapple, right? Your family hates pineapple, but you sell pineapple. If you're going to go ahead and just keep telling them, like, you need to buy the pineapple, you need to buy the pineapple, and they're like, well, excuse me, I love you, but I hate pineapple, so I'm not buying it from you. No, you really need to buy the pineapple. It's the best thing ever, yada, 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 yada. And you keep going and going and going. Eventually, they're going to get annoyed, right? I mean, that's just normal. That's just normal. They have already told you that they don't like pineapple, so they will not ever buy it from you. If you keep pushing, then it may ruin friendships and it may even ruin family relationships. However, if you are somewhat smart and you are listening and you're kind, you're hearing that they don't like pineapple on their pizza. So just don't sell it to them, okay? Same thing with supplements. If they don't believe in supplements, don't sell it to them. If they don't like your shampoo, move on. See, the reason why we are circling the drain with friends and family is because we are having a scarcity mindset. We are not realizing just how many people are in the world. You do not have to pester anybody. There is so many people in the world. And if you have the right consistent actions, you are going to be able to move fairly quickly through those people and find all the pineapple lovers. And it will not take a ton. It will take a few, but you will find all those pineapple lovers that are going to be more than happy to buy it from you. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments. If you want more information, make sure you check out my website, www.walkitfree.com/help for my free online course. All right, I'll see you all later. Mwah!